Today we are going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter F. To practice writing, you may use your finger and write the letter in the air. You may use your finger and gently trace or press on the screen of your writing device. Or if someone is at home and there to help you, you can use a piece of paper and a writing utensil of your choice and practice writing the letter that way. Let's begin. This is the uppercase F. The uppercase F has 3 steps. It is almost identical to the uppercase E minus the 4th step. So let's begin. Watch me. We can do this together. Step 1, you are going to draw a straight line down from the top of your writing space to the bottom, just like this. Stop and lift. For step 2, we're going to come all the way back to the top and we're going to do a straight line to the right and stopping, lift, and for step 3, we're going to come to our middle line, our dashed line, and do a shorter straight line to the right. And that is how you write an uppercase F. Let's practice one more time together. Get your finger ready. Here we go. Step 1, straight line down, stop, lift, come to the top. Step 2, straight line across to the right, stop, coming down to the middle of our line 1, our straight line, which it would be our dashed line on writing paper. We're going to do a shorter straight line to the right. And that is how you write an uppercase F. I want you to try this on your own this time. Get your finger ready. Practice writing the uppercase F now. If your uppercase F looks like mine, you did it correctly. Fantastic job. Here is the lowercase f. Lowercase f has 2 steps. Our first step is that we are going to start at the very top of our writing space, just below that first top line. We're going to curve around to the left and do a straight line down. Step 1 looks like this. Stop and lift. Step 2, we're going to go to the middle of our writing space, our middle or dashed line, and do a straight line to the right, just like that. Great job. Now it's your turn, but let's do this together. Get your fingers ready. Here we go. We're going to have a curve going to the left, then straight down, stopping at the bottom of our writing area, lifting and coming to the center, and we have another straight little line to the left. And that is how you write an uppercase, or excuse me, a lowercase f. Now let me see you do it on your own. Get your finger ready. Go ahead and practice writing the lowercase f now. If your lowercase f looks like mine, you did it correctly. Amazing. Now, let's review. We have our uppercase F on the left and our lowercase f on the right. Your finger ready. Let's practice writing the uppercase F one more time together. Straight line down, stop, lift, come to the top, straight line to the right, stop, lifting, coming to the center, straight line across once more, but smaller this time, and that is how you write the uppercase F. Moving to the right for our lowercase f, get your finger ready. We start with a curved line to the left, coming straight down, stop, lifting, coming to the center, and doing a small line to the right, just like that. And that is how you write the lowercase f. Now it's your turn. Get your finger ready. On the left-hand side of your screen or in the air, practice writing the uppercase F now. If your uppercase F looks like mine, you did a fantastic job. On the right side now, let's practice writing the lowercase f. Get your finger ready. You may practice the lowercase f now. If your lowercase f looks like mine, you yet again did it correctly. Great job. And that is the end of our lesson on learning how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter F.